Hello, welcome to the video on chapter 12C, looking at tangent. Now, if you're looking at this diagram and thinking, what is that saying? You might like to watch the intro to the unit circle video, because it is explaining is that inside the unit circle we have a sine cos triangle, and this tangent on the outside to the circle, the bottom side of that triangle, is a distance of 1. So we have two similar triangles, and tan ends up being equivalent to sine divided by cos. If you want more information, again, go to that original video. So we are looking at finding these values. Now see if you can do these without a calculator. For example, tan of pi. So to do that, you would be looking at the fact that at pi, cos is -1 and sine is 0, and tan is sine divided by cos, so your answer is going to be 0 divided by -1, which is 0. So you can work those ones out using your unit circle, please. And then it's clear, I see 2 says use a calculator, so I'd probably prefer it if the textbook had said don't use your calculator, but it doesn't for 1. Okay, so for question 2, now the first, so A, B, E, and F, they don't have the degree symbol, so you can assume that they are radians, whereas C, G, and D are degrees. This is about the time of night where I realized that for some reason for 12B and 12C I've written left-hand side for all of them, which doesn't really make sense, especially in like question 1. So I've changed that to do half of them, and hopefully I'll remember to tell the relief teacher for tomorrow. Okay, question 3, exact same sort of question, but we are not using a calculator, and it's just written in a different way. So we've got the degrees. Now, this is tan at 180 degrees, at 360, at 0 degrees. What the negative here means is that you move in the opposite direction to normal. So usually we move anti-clockwise, now we're going to move clockwise. For example, -540, you are going to be starting here and moving around, well, you go around a whole 360. Then you'll have to work out what's left over and see where you will end up. And I'm looking at these numbers here, and I think I can see something to do with all of the answers. So see how you go with that one, and you work out what I'm talking about when you get the answers. Cool, thank you for listening. Goodbye.